Hi darlings. Join me to learn some amazing facts about jellyfish. Number 1. Jellyfish have gone into space. In 1991, moonfish jellyfish traveled into outer space on the Space Shuttle Columbia. Scientists wanted to examine how microgravity affected them. The jellyfish multiplied in space. When they came back to Earth, the scientists discovered that the spaceborne jellyfish couldn't figure out how to deal with gravity. Number 2. Jellyfish could be older than dinosaurs. Jellyfish have no bones, so fossils are hard to come by. Nevertheless, scientists have evidence these creatures have been bobbing along in the world's oceans for at least 500 million years. In fact, it's likely the jellyfish lineage goes back even further, possibly 700 million years. That's roughly 3 times the age of the first dinosaurs. Some of the oldest known jellyfish fossils have been found in Utah, dating back to when the entire U.S. West was under the Pacific Ocean. Number 3. Jellyfish are 98% water. The human body is composed of 60% water and the jellyfish is 98%. When they wash ashore, they can disappear after just a few hours, their bodies promptly evaporating into the air. They have a rudimentary nervous system, a loose network of nerves located in the epidermis called a nerve net, and no brain. They also don't have a heart, their gelatinous bodies are so thin. They can be oxygenated solely by diffusion. Number 4. One type of jellyfish is thought to be immortal. The Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish is thought to be immortal, since it can transform back into a colony of polyps, individual organisms. As the jelly ages, it eventually settles onto the sea floor and becomes polyps. The polyps then spawn new, genetically identical jellyfish. If a Turritopsis dohrnii gets physically harmed or starts to starve, it can transform back into a polyp. It will then in turn produce new, genetically identical jellyfish. If you like the video so far, like and subscribe. Thank you. Number 5. They can have eyes. Despite their simple body design, some jellyfish have vision. In fact, for a few species, their vision can be surprisingly complex. For instance, the box jellyfish has 24 eyes, 2 of which are capable of seeing in color. It's also believed this animal's complicated array of visual sensors makes it one of the few creatures in the world to have a full 360-degree view of its environment. Number 6. Jellyfish eat almost anything in the water. Jellyfish eat different types of food. They eat other marine creatures like small fish, larvae, eat crabs, shrimps, and tiny plants. They even eat other jellyfish. Number 7. Urinating does not relieve the pain of a jellyfish sting. It's a common myth that if a person is stung by a jellyfish, another person should urinate on the sting to relieve pain. But that's simply not true. According to the Mayo Clinic, if you find yourself stung by a jellyfish, your best course of action is to remove any tentacles carefully with tweezers and soak the sting in hot water. If a person gets a severe reaction or becomes unconscious after a sting, seek medical attention immediately. Number 8. Dead jellyfish can still sting. Be careful when touching or getting into contact with a dead jellyfish. Even if they are long dead, the venom on their tentacles is still prevalent and can cause harm. Their tentacles will continue to release poison until they are removed. Do you like jellyfish too? Really, which item of this video did you like the most? Comment for me. Thank you.